Calling it an extremely rare legal tactic, the Louisiana Legislative Auditor is temporarily barred from releasing an audit on a Louisiana elected official after a judge issued a restraining order.
West Bank-based Justice of the Peace Patrick Dejean asked for and received the TRO earlier today. It's a story the WDSU I-Team broke for you earlier today. Investigative reporter Travis Macko live for us in studio at 6 o'clock with why he asked for the findings to be held.
Camille, Patrick Dejean wants a court to determine if the legislative auditor has jurisdiction over his court and has the authority to audit his books. The state inquiry was done after the I-Team first reported questionable loans Dejean took out on behalf of his office last year. For months, the state's legislative auditor has been inside this building, reviewing documents and conducting a probe on the second Justice of the Peace Court. The elected JP for that West Bank Jefferson Parish District is Patrick Dejean. The Legislative Auditor's Office tells us that the findings of the inquiry were set to be released early next week, but that's on hold now. In an extremely uncommon legal move, Dejean asked for and received a temporary restraining order preventing the state's legislative auditor from releasing the report and his findings. Judge Don Johnson from Baton Rouge signed the TRO and ordered a hearing set for April 2nd. Dejean is questioning whether the auditor has jurisdiction over courts such as his, which is self-funded and handles only small claims matters. Dejean has not responded to requests for comment, and the legislative auditor says a judge blocking the release of a state-funded audit is rare. Last year, the WDSU I-Team reported that Dejean was being sued by a local bank, which sought immediate payment on loans it made to Dejean's office. Dejean took out 3 separate loans in 2012 and 2013, totaling almost $53,000, money the bank wanted back. The reason for that lawsuit? The bank questioned whether Dejean had the right to borrow money on behalf of the court. And there's this. Last year, we pulled Dejean's financial disclosure forms, which are submitted yearly to the Louisiana Legislative Auditor. The money he borrowed on behalf of his office didn't always appear in those records. In 2012, Dejean did report a $15,000 expenditure for equipment, which we're told relates to the first loan. But there's nothing indicated how that money was spent or even that the money was used for an official purpose. And it leaves unmentioned the remaining $37,000. That money doesn't show up on the 2012 or 2013 reports, which shows zeros across the board regarding expenditures. Last summer, his lawyer told us it was all an oversight.
When you called that to my attention, I told him about it, and he intends to file an amended financial disclosure form, but he was never trying to conceal it or anything.
Dejean is in his second term as a Justice of the Peace. He was most recently elected last fall. Camille?